What's the meaning of bead? Bead. Bead.
Bede. Bede. Bede is a traditional English name that has roots in Old English. It is believed to mean prayer or devotion, and was often given to boys who displayed strong religious tendencies. The name has a long history, with famous figures like the Venerable Bede, an Anglo-Saxon monk and scholar, bearing the name. Over time, the name has evolved and become more popular as a surname, with people named Bede living all around the world. Overall, the name Bede carries with it connotations of piety and faith, making it a meaningful choice for those who value these qualities.